So for now, let's go ahead and stop this process of adding this piece of content and go install the PathAuto module and then come back and see what changes it makes. Now we've gone through the process of adding a module before when we added the web form module. The first step is to find the location of the download for the module itself. So I'm going to open up a new tab in the browser and I'm going to search for PathAuto Drupal. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the topmost link. And this takes us to the PathAuto page. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and I'm going to copy the tar.gz link here by right-clicking and selecting Copy Link Location. Okay, now I'm going to jump back to the site and I'm going to click on Modules. And then I'm going to click on Install New Module. Now if any of this looks a little strange, go ahead and step back a few videos and look at how we use the Update Manager module to install the web form module. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL here in the Install from URL input, and then I'm going to click Install. It'll take just a moment to download the package and install it. Let's go ahead and enable it. I'm going to go ahead and click on Enable Newly Added Modules. And I'm going to do a browser search for PathAuto. Okay, here we go. So we see that the checkbox is disabled here. It's grayed out. That's because this module has a couple of required modules in order for it to run. The first one is Path, and that's enabled. It's green. We're good to go there. And the second one is Token, and it says that it's missing. So this means that we need to go and download the Token module, just like we did the PathAuto module, and then come back here and enable the PathAuto module. I'm going to go ahead and open up a new tab, and I'm going to search for Token Drupal, and I'm going to click on the top link here. This is the Token module page. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to where the downloads are, and next to the 7 version, I'm going to do the same thing that we did with the PathAuto module and copy link location here. Then I'm going to jump back to our site, and I'm going to scroll up to the very top of the modules page and click Install New Module again. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and paste in the tar.gz file and click Install. Now that it's installed, we should be able to both enable the Token module and the PathAuto module. I'm going to go ahead and click Enable Newly Added Modules. And I'm going to search for PathAuto again. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enable PathAuto before we enable the Token module, so you can see what happens when we enable a module that requires another module that has not been enabled yet. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click Save Configuration. Okay, we get a little dialog here that says some required modules must be enabled, and it says we need to enable the Token module in order to install PathAuto. And would we like to continue? Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click Continue. Okay, now if we do a search for PathAuto, we see that PathAuto is enabled, and so is Token. And Token is now grayed out and checked because it's enabled, but it's also required by another module, the PathAuto module.